Hello guys, welcome back with me here today. We need to find the new, the new, the new building is uploading on Brookhaven. Wait a minute. There. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, bro? Let me get in. Okay, wait. Okay, we're here. We're Lily Pika. He said so big. Why is your shed so big? He said it's in the airport. Let's go. Hello guys. Today we are watching Lalipika. There is it. Can find an option. Are you kidding me? What is this? Construction site. Construction this room. Let's go. I'm a bald eagle. Wee. Such a big head. Oh, what is that, bro? So here's the construction site. And even get a car. I can even. Of course, this game is kidding me. And here's the construction site. Oh, what a construction site. I know what is this. I know what is this. This is a rocket. Ayaw! What? That was a double bug. Fixes. Some bug fixes. Okay. This is lagging. Construction complete in 5 days. Under construction. Alright, we're in construction. I can't even. What is that butt looking something? Is this us? Oh, wow, so majestic. So majestic. Why is there a ugly face in here? Let me get out. Ulaga. Huwag kang gambasta. Let's go find some house and pool. That. What is going on? Oh, I'm so handsome. Reset. Reset. There we go. Let's get the best car in the server. Let's get the best car on the server. Is this one? Let's spawn. Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Let's rob people. Let's rob. He's really kidding. He's really kidding me right now. Let's go out. And go up. Go up. He won't go up, guys. He won't go up. Such a the best hide in the world. Wait right now, guys. There's Tum in here. Tum Ivan.
Hey, yeah, I gotta leave.
Come here. What's the password? Because someone.
No.
You just hacked me. You just hacked my account. What's the password now? Come here.
Bro, I didn't do that. I ain't
Get the phone. Get the phone. Get the phone. And then.
No.
He's kicking me right now, please. Up. Go up. Motherfucker. Ay, thank you, Lord. This kid na. Yes. Why is it so dark? This is easy. Let's just Rush Edens 2. I hate this game. Alright, that's the end of the video. Bye. Bye.